Today we're going to look at how to make a cold expansion ProPEX connection using Uponor PEX-a pipe and the Milwaukee M12 fuel expansion tool with rapid seal heads. We'll explore where this tool works best, the pipe sizes it's designed to handle, and the applications for which it's best suited. The M12 Fuel ProPEX expansion tool is built for smaller diameter PEX installations, making it a great option for residential plumbing, remodels, and service work, especially in tighter or hard-to-reach spaces. The tool's total capacity goes up to 1-inch pipe, but it's optimized for 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, 5/8 inch, and 3/4 inch sizes. It's important to note that while the M12 and M18 expansion heads have the same threading, they must not be used interchangeably with M12 and M18 tools, as doing so can result in faulty connections and compromised system performance. Now let's walk through how to make a connection. Start with a clean, straight cut on your pipe. Then slide the ProPEX ring onto the pipe. If you're using white ProPEX rings, the 1/2 inch through 1 inch rings feature a leading edge chamfer to help guide placement onto the pipe, along with a built-in stop edge to ensure proper overhang on the pipe. The tool comes with different expansion heads designed specifically for each size pipe, so make sure you're checking the size listed on the head before using. Then insert the tool into the pipe and begin expanding the pipe and ring together. Let the tool complete each expansion rotation fully and maintain a steady grip to keep your expansions consistent. Continue expanding until the ring reaches the collar. Once the ring reaches the collar, give it 1 or 2 extra expansions to allow yourself more time to make the connection. As soon as you remove the tool, the pipe will begin to shrink back down to its original size. Quickly insert the fitting. If your pipe shrinks back before you're able to insert the fitting, you can repeat the expansion process. This M12 Fuel ProPEX expansion tool delivers productivity for high-speed connections without compromising workmanship, promoting greater control and flexibility to get the job done efficiently, even in those tough-to-access smaller spaces.